The East Khasi Hills District Administration has decided to allow political parties to organize victory procession and rallies on the day of counting of votes for the Shillong parliamentary seat on June 4th. The decision was taken following a consultative meeting convened by Deputy Commissioner S.C. Sadhu with the political parties, candidates and representatives of the Sinjuk Nongsan Sharshnong Kabri Hinyo Trep at his chamber today.
We have taken enough measures to ensure that these victory processions should not turn out to be should not lead to any of the untoward incidents. So that kind of measures we have taken by, in fact, closely working with all stakeholders, including the political parties and traditional institutions and other stakeholders, so that we will ensure that no untoward incident mars our entire election process.
Concerned over the rise of drug peddlers